Honda just brought back a classic that defined adventure riding for an entire generation. The 2026 XL350R is here, and it's blending retro charm with cutting-edge capability. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're exploring whether this reborn legend can capture the magic of the original while meeting modern demands. Let's get into it. Design. The 2026 XL350R is a masterclass in nostalgic design done right. Honda has honored the original's iconic silhouette while refining every detail for contemporary riders. The round headlight, minimalist bodywork, and classic fuel tank shape instantly transport you back to the golden era of dual-sport motorcycles. But look closer and you'll notice premium materials, LED lighting, and refined ergonomics that make this thoroughly modern. The seat height is accessible, and the overall package feels purposeful without being intimidating. Performance. Powering the XL350R is an all-new 350cc single-cylinder engine that perfectly balances power and practicality. It delivers smooth, linear torque that's ideal for both trail riding and highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission offers well-spaced ratios, while the lightweight chassis makes this bike incredibly nimble. The long travel suspension handles rough terrain with confidence, yet remains composed on pavement. Whether you're tackling fire roads or commuting through the city, this engine provides exactly what you need when you need it. Features and technology. Honda hasn't skimped on modern technology. Fuel injection ensures reliable starting in any condition, while ride-by-wire throttle provides precise control. The LCD instrument cluster displays everything clearly, including trip computers and fuel economy. ABS comes standard with an off-road mode that can be disabled for adventurous riding. USB charging keeps your devices powered, and the LED lighting improves visibility significantly over the original. Conclusion. The 2026 XL350R successfully bridges past and present, creating something truly special for dual-sport enthusiasts. Would you take this on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. If this review was helpful, hit that like button and share it with fellow riders. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and turn on notifications for more detailed motorcycle reviews. Thanks for riding along, and we'll catch you in the next one.